This is a 2018 Toyota Tundra. It's got the 5.7 V8. We just installed a nice catback dual exhaust system with a dual in, dual out Flowmaster Super 40 out to some nice 4.5 inch double wall exhaust tips, as you can see. Tucked it up there nice and clean, as we always do, as you can see. Left all the factory catalytic converters on there. Just want to wake it up a little bit, give it a little mild rumble. Not too crazy. Let's see what it sounds like. You can see it lays down a little bit once it comes off that cold idle.